Hey, what's up? And welcome to my new video. So you have to buy a refurbished product or maybe a used one. Let's find that out in this video. But before that, let's roll the intro. So welcome back to the video, and today, as I said before in the intro, we're gonna see some difference between these two types of used product, we can say, because they are both used in the end, we can say. So one is refurbished product and the other is a used one. So what's the main difference between the two? So actually, if you buy a refurbished product, it is in fact a used product, but it is just renewed. So most of the times the manufacturer of the product just take the used product and they just fix everything that it is probably broken or maybe something missing in the boxes also, because they make the product look new again. So as I was saying, also the paperwork in the box, of course they're gonna put everything inside the box and they will renew everything about the product. And a used product, of course, it is just a simple product that it is being used by someone and then it went straight to another reseller to sell that product again. So nothing special. If there is something missing, if there is something broken, you will buy that product as it is, of course. So in my experience, as you could saw also in my channel, just check some videos in my channel, I bought a lot of used product on Amazon mostly. So in this specific case, Amazon just put a description of the product and they have some simple rule, we can say. So they have some different condition for the product and you can judge the final condition of the product by that. So I mostly bought like good and very good condition product, but the final product was always pretty much new. And in fact, like most of the times it happens that when I bought like a used product on Amazon, it came also with some screen protector. So the default one, for example, if we talk about like phones. And if you want to talk about laptop, I just bought like recently the LG Gram that it was very new actually. And the laptop was still in the plastic bag inside. So it was really new. And on Amazon, they said it was like scratched around the product, but it was actually new. And what I want to tell with that, it is that if you buy like a product on Amazon, you have always the warranty, we can say, that Amazon gives to you. But if you buy like a used product from like some random guy, for example, you don't have any type of warranty. And in that case, it is better to buy like a refurbished product, of course, because you will have like probably in most of the cases like 1 year of warranty or something like that, depends of course on the product. And that is a big plus for the refurbished product, of course, because in my experience I had some issue with some used product because I bought like a few years ago a razor blade from Amazon and it was used, but like 4 or 5 months after I bought the laptop, the power supply just broke, just like that. I was just playing and actually I was just streaming and then the stream went off because my power connector was just broken and I couldn't fix it. And also I couldn't find any replacement for that power cord because it was like a proprietary one from Razer, so it is pretty much difficult to find those. And so I just asked to the Amazon support and they said that it was like a frequent problem, and so they decided to just refund me for the product. And so I just sent the razor blade just straight to Amazon. This was just to confirm that if you buy like also a used product from Amazon, you will have in any case some warranty that covers you from these issues that could happen in every electronic piece, of course. Then also, as you probably know, I just bought this MacBook Pro used on Amazon, and this was also pretty much new. As you could see, I have the unboxing. I don't know, probably I will put some clips. And this is another thing that I want to tell you, because if you buy just Apple product, like if you buy those like used or maybe refurbished, there are some good deals on this especially Apple product, as I said, because you will find mostly like very new product but with a great price. And in this case you will find like this M1 MacBook for a great price for really new product. So if you are interested into a laptop and especially into this one from Apple, just watch some refurbished product and also some used one. And also you can go through the refurbished section of the Apple website and you will find some very good deal there. So if you're interested especially into that, just go there because they have some very good product. And there also there are some category to just classify the condition of the used product, of course. So make sure to check them out. So as I said in the beginning, this was like a quick and short video to make sure to clarify these differences between the used and the refurbished products. So I hope you find that somewhat useful because so many people just don't know the difference between these two categories. So I hope that I've said pretty much anything about these two different products. And if you have any question, of course, you can type it down below in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. And also, if you like this video, just hit a like down below because it's free. And of course, if you haven't subscribed already to this channel, just subscribe down below. I mean, it's a big red button, so you cannot miss it. It's very, very easy to click it. So just click that to support this channel. And nothing, I think I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.